The placement of the electrodes. This question is no less important than the conduction system of the heart. Why do we consider it in the first chapter? Why we should consider it? We note right away that it all starts with how the ECG is taken. Everything that happens in the heart is recorded using electrodes. If the electrodes are not placed correctly, then the interpretation of the ECG will be difficult or not true at all. Because of that, it is necessary to start taking the ECG with the correct application of electrodes. Look how, in the correct placement of the electrodes, we get clearly visible waves. But if the electrodes are not placed correctly, then we can't even analyze the ECG. When removing a standard ECG, 10 electrodes are applied. They are divided into 4 main and 6 chest ones. The main electrodes are often in the form of clothespins of certain colors: red, yellow, green, and black. The electrodes begin to overlap from the right hand and then clockwise. Look how, clockwise, remember that. First electrode, red, right hand. Second electrode, yellow, left hand. Third electrode, green, left leg. Fourth electrode, black, right leg. For the convenience of remembering the sequence of superimposing the colors of the electrodes, in the figure we placed a traffic light. Why a traffic light? Because as the electrodes, the traffic light also has red, yellow, and green colors. And the whole traffic light is black, exactly black. So it will be like that. First electrode, red. It is superimposed on the right hand. At the traffic light, it is red. You can also remember this color like that. This color is red, and this hand is right. Both words have the first letter R. R, red, right. Second electrode, yellow. It is superimposed on the left hand. At the traffic light, it is yellow. Third electrode, green. It is superimposed on the left leg. At the traffic light, it is green. Fourth electrode, black. It is superimposed on the right leg. At the traffic light, this is the color of the body of the traffic light itself, black. Thus, you must remember, electrodes are applied clockwise according to the rule black traffic light. First electrode, red, on the right hand. Second electrode, yellow, on the left hand. Third electrode, green, on the left leg. Fourth electrode, black, on the right leg. The specific location of the electrodes on the arms and legs does not generally affect the quality of the ECG recording. What cannot be said about the chest electrodes? Incorrect placement of the chest electrodes, even a few centimeters, can give distorted data on the ECG. Now, let's learn how to properly install electrodes. As previously noted, there are 6 of them. They overlap like this, remember. First electrode, V1, red, superimposed on the 4th intercostal space at the right edge of the sternum, backing 1 centimeter to the right. The second electrode, V2, is yellow. It is superimposed as a mirror image of the first electrode on the 4th intercostal space at the left edge of the sternum, backing 1 centimeter to the left. After the second electrode, the 4th superimposed. Note the 4th. The 4th electrode, V4, is brown. it is superimposed on the fifth intercostal space along the mid-clavicular line. After superimposing the fourth electrode, we return to the third. The third electrode, V3, it is green. It is superimposed in the middle of the segment between the second and fourth electrodes. Between second and fourth electrodes. The fifth electrode, V5, it is black. It is superimposed on the fifth intercostal space along the anterior axillary line. Anterior axillary line. The sixth electrode, V6, it is purple. It is superimposed on the fifth intercostal space in the mid-axillary line. Middle axillary line. So let's summarize briefly. V1 and V2 electrodes are superimposed on the fourth intercostal space on both sides of the sternum. V4, V5, V6 electrodes are superimposed on the fifth intercostal space along the corresponding lines. V4 on the mid-clavicular, V5 along the front axillary, and V6 in the middle axillary. And V3 is the middle of the segment between V2 and V4. What each electrode is responsible for, we will consider in the following chapters. It should be noted that there should be good contact between the electrode and the surface of the body. Because of that, before applying electrodes, the skin is moistened with water or gel, or wet wipes are placed.